IIM CAP 2025 registration closes today. PIWAT starts Feb 17. Class 12 students in Latur take pledge for copy-free exams. 6 suicides in Kota in January. NEET and JEE aspirants among the victims. Amazon announces 500 scholarships for female computer science students. Harvard settles anti-Semitism lawsuit, implements new policies. Hello everyone, welcome to the Education News Network. I am Pallavi Kulkarni and today's top news are: the registration window for IIM CAP 2025 closes today, January 23, 2025. The common admission process including 2 key rounds, personal interview, PI and writing ability test WAT for 8 IIMs. Candidates must register on the official website cap2025.iimbg.ac.in and select 4 cities for preferences for the interview process. PIWAT will be held from Feb 17 to March 15, 2025. To register, candidates should visit the official website, log in, complete the application and submit their choices. A printout of the application should be saved for future references. For both details, visit the official IIM CAP 2025 site. Ahead of the Maharashtra State Board's Class 12 exams, students at Dayanand College of Arts in Latur took an oath for copy-free exams as a part of the state's awareness campaign. The pledge, administered by the college's Vice Principal Dr. Dilip Nagargoje, committed students to ethical exam practices, stressing through preparation and adherence to the board's rules. The initiative, aligned with the Maharashtra government's directive for Copy-Free Awareness Week from Jan 20 to 26, encourages students to approach exams stress-free, avoiding unfair practices. The campaign also includes community engagement efforts to promote integrity in the examination process, aiming for excellent results and a positive image for students, teachers, and parents. Kota, a major coaching hub, has witnessed a tragic rise in student suicides, with 6 cases reported in the first 22 days of January 2025. On Jan 22, a 24 years old NEET aspirant from Gujarat and an 18-year-old JEE aspirant from Assam took their own lives within 2 hours of each other. Both students hanged themselves in their respective accommodations, with no suicide notes found. The deaths add a series of suicides in the city, including 4 earlier this month. The district has seen 17 similar cases in 2024. The alarming trend highlights the intense pressure faced by students in the competitive exam preparation. Amazon has launched an initiative offering 500 merit-based scholarships, each worth INR 2 lakhs, to female students pursuing undergraduate degrees in computer science, engineering, or related fields. Announced at the Careers of the Future Summit in Delhi, this initiative is a part of the Amazon's Future Engineer program, which has already trained 3 million government school students and over 20,000 teachers across 272 districts. The scholarship aims to bridge the gender gap in technology and provide students with access to multilingual learning materials, personalized coding boot camps, mentorships, and laptops. This program also focuses on preparing students for future tech careers, fostering skills in AI, coding, and advanced application development. One day after President Trump's inauguration, Harvard University reached a settlement with Jewish student organization over anti-Semitism claims. The lawsuit, filed by several Jewish advocacy groups, accused Harvard of not protecting Jewish students from harassment. As a part of settlement, Harvard University has adopted an International Holocaust Remembrance Alliance definition of anti-Semitism and clarified that Jewish and Israeli students are protected under anti-discrimination policy. The university will also appoint a dedicated officer of anti-Semitism complaints, offer staff training, and issue annual reports on actions taken. These changes follow increased pressure on the Harvard after anti-Semitic incidents and protests in 2023. The university is committed to strengthening its policies against discrimination and hate. That's all for today's news. Signing off with Pallavi Kulkarni. For more such news and detailed information, log into our website www.theenn.com, powered by Education Today. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel.